Hello friends, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. Today we are going to make Italian pasta. Everybody loves pasta, especially kids, and we have endless varieties of pastas to choose from and many sauces also to flavor them, different sauces. Today we are going to make pasta with walnut basil pesto sauce, which we made recently. I had posted the video. You can check out the recipe and then make this pasta using that sauce. So shall we proceed to make this pasta? Here I have taken 1 cup of pasta, I've taken elbow macaroni, then we have walnut basil pesto sauce which we made couple of days ago, and I have refrigerated it with enough olive oil floating on top so it stays good. Then we'll take 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra olive oil for cooking, then fresh cream, maybe a tablespoon, some milk to adjust the consistency, and salt, freshly crushed black pepper for flavoring. Now first we are going to boil the pasta. Add sufficient water in a pan. Say for 1 cup of pasta you can take about 3 cups of water. Add little salt and about 1 tablespoon of oil. Now oil helps in keeping the pasta separate, it will not stick. We'll let the water boil and then dip in the pasta. You can use any variety of pasta. These days there are many available in the market. I had some elbow macaroni at home, so I'm using that. Now after 2-3 boils, switch off the gas and cover the pan. After 2-3 minutes the pasta is fluffy and ready al dente as we require. It should be 90% cooked. Now we are going to strain it and set it aside. Now the time may vary for different types of pastas, you have to check it out. Now in a pan, heat little bit of olive oil. You can be liberal with oil in pasta because it disappears, the pasta soaks it up. Now add the prepared sauce, pesto sauce, and give it a stir. Olive oil is healthy anyway, so you can be liberal. Add little salt and black pepper. Stir it on low flame. Let it cook on low flame. In fact, in Italy, people consume lot of extra virgin olive oil. They pour it liberally on their dishes. Every restaurant has a bottle kept on the table as it is healthy. Now check the salt. At this stage, if you want, you can add little, adjust the flavors of pepper and salt. Now stir in the macaroni and give it a gentle mix with the spatula. Add about 1 tablespoon of cream. Mix it. Now the quantity depends on your taste. If you like more, you can add more. Little bit, about 2 tablespoons of milk to adjust the consistency. Some also like to add cheese, but the cheese is already there in the sauce, so I'm not adding it. Mix it gently and check the salt again. Pasta is ready to be served. Dish it out in a plate and enjoy it. Basil sauce is really very flavorful. I love it. Such a delicious meal made in minutes. You can make a bowl of soup and it makes a complete meal. Garnish it with some basil leaves, and here we go. very delicious and irresistible pasta. It's amazing how few ingredients can create a magic in a dish. So friends, do give it a try. I'm sure you will love it too. This also makes a perfect lunchbox dish. Put some extra cheese for your kids and they are going to love it. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.